Christ the Redeemer, Brazil's iconic wonder. Standing high atop Mount Corcovado, Christ the Redeemer watches over Rio de Janeiro. This towering figure of Jesus Christ is one of the new seven wonders of the world, a symbol of hope, peace, and unity. Construction of Christ the Redeemer began in 1922 as Brazil celebrated 100 years of independence. Designed by Brazilian engineer Heitor da Silva Costa and French sculptor Paul Landowski, this monumental statue took 9 years to complete and now stands as a symbol of faith for millions. Rising 98 feet tall with an arm span of 92 feet, Christ the Redeemer is made of reinforced concrete and covered in over 6 million soapstone tiles. These tiles give it a smooth, weather-resistant finish, allowing it to endure Rio's tropical climate. Perched 2,300 feet above sea level on Mount Corcovado, Christ the Redeemer offers panoramic views of the city's stunning landscapes, including the famous beaches of Copacabana, Sugarloaf Mountain, and beyond. More than a statue, Christ the Redeemer is a powerful symbol of faith and cultural unity, attracting over 2 million visitors every year. For Brazilians, it represents protection and spirituality, a beacon of faith that reaches far beyond borders. Did you know Christ the Redeemer was built without the help of machinery? Or that it's been struck by lightning multiple times but still stands strong? These facts only add to its legend. Reaching Christ the Redeemer is a journey worth taking. Visitors can ride a scenic train from Cosmo Velho through Tijuca National Park or take a van from nearby locations. It's a pilgrimage that rewards you with one of the best views in the world. Christ the Redeemer is more than just a monument. It's a global icon of resilience, unity, and peace. If you enjoyed uncovering its story, subscribe to Monuments Unravelled for more breathtaking tales from around the world.